Hello, welcome back. This is Total OS Today, Total Technology for beginners and beyond. Well, speaking of technology, we are back into Windows 10. I found a piece of software that I believe will make life a little bit easier, at least in terms of tweaking Windows 10 to make it just a little bit more private. And this is called Do Not Spy 10. I came across this quite by accident. It seems to work okay. I've tested this, installed, done the tweaks, rebooted multiple times. It seems okay, at least in my test machine. Now, one thing about this, when you installed it, the Avast antivirus flagged this as potential malware. What it does, it tries to install also ad-supported software to help defray the cost of this. I completely understand. I just want to let you know before you install this that your antivirus may pick it up. There is a way to install this and click, I believe, custom install and not install the other stuff, but that is entirely up to you. I will say this, if this thing really works, why don't you help out the developer and click the donation button. I believe there is a donation feature or a function also before you install this. Anyway, Do Not Spy 10. Tweaks and about. Let's go to the tweaks. It says here, there's a whole list here, but green means go ahead and do it, or at least it's safe. The orange ones you may want to consider, and the red ones you probably should not do. For example, if I click help, it says here green, safe to use, orange, read the description, red, better know what you're doing, what you are doing. So I'll show you what I did, but the rest, in fact, all of this, how you want to tweak Windows 10 is entirely up to you. This is just something for me to show you to make it just a little bit easier. So I enable defer Windows updates, disable access to language list, reset advertising ID, the camera app, let's see, app access to radios, telemetry, biometrics, handwriting, inventory collector, OneDrive I disable, send writing info, disable Windows feedback, and enable do not track in Edge. And I just clicked apply, rebooted, and I'm assuming it's all good to go. So this is just something to help you guys out. Look, I'm always looking for something to make life a little bit easier. I'm a big fan of click and go software in both Windows and Linux distribution. So check this out. I will have a link for this below in the show notes. I love the way it looks. It's simple, and it seems to work the way it's supposed to. So let me know what you guys think. Check it out. And let me know if this works out for you. Somebody did mention on a side note, did I ditch Ubuntu Mate? I did not. This is my test machine running Windows 10 and Zorin, the latest Zorin 10 Ultimate. I still have Ubuntu Mate on my other machine, and I definitely like it. Speaking of Ubuntu Mate, I believe the latest beta is out. If you haven't, take a listen to my conversation with lead developer Martin Wimpress. I affectionately call Ubuntu Mate the romantic OS. I won't give it away as to why. Take a listen. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. All right, well, that's all I have for this one. Thank you so much for watching and listening. If you haven't already, why not click the subscribe button to the bottom right? Consider maybe donating to the channel to help the cost of this channel. As always, thank you. Enjoy your technology, and please don't text and drive. Be safe.